Abutting the tubes, so they're flush and virtually seamless, is the goal when installing Cablevey conveyors. Here are 4 simple steps to the best tube abutment. 1. Measure twice, cut once. 2. Hold the tube straight on blocks or tube stands, and use the best tool you can find to cut the tubes. We recommend this one. 3. After cutting the tube to the desired length, file off any sharp edges, burrs, and residual metal. 4. Test by aligning both tube ends and checking for any unfinished or rough edges. Both tube ends should be about flush to one another to prevent gaps from filling with residual material and fines. Flash tube abutment is the first and best way for a great result with system installation and use. Now you're ready to add the compression coupler. Check out our video on this step next.